Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about standards. What is a standard? A little bit of background information over here. Congress, as you know, makes things called laws. The EPA, or Environmental Protection Agency, makes things called standards, right? And they're not called laws because they're not Congress, but it's just another fancy word that basically means the same thing. It holds the same weight, and there are still consequences to, disobeying these standards or laws. So for the sake of this argument, we're just going to call them laws. It makes it a little bit easier. And if we think about, this is our next big question, if we think about what makes a law effective, we do have to think about those consequences. Why? Because the consequences are what cause you, what compel you to actually follow the rule. All right. So if you set a rule that says, okay, let's say you're a teacher or something at a school and you want all your students to turn in their homework. If you set a rule that says, you have to turn in your homework or else you will lose, 15% of your grade, right? So then you'll end up with an 85 maximum. It's just a rule, right? The only way that we can tell if it's effective is if that consequence works. So if, then, all of your students turn in their homework, clearly that rule worked because nobody wanted to get a B because it all just, implode mentally. And so, so we don't want to get a B, so we have to turn in our homework. Everybody turns in their homework. If only 50% of your students turn in their homework, well, then that rule didn't really work. That's the idea, right? If you think about speeding on the highways and stuff, right? We have speed limits and we have cops out patrolling, and if they catch you speeding, they'll give you a ticket, and maybe the ticket gets worse. It depends on how much you're speeding, and it's all very bad, but people still speed. So that means that clearly the consequences are maybe not bad enough, or there's just not a 100% chance that you'll get caught. Now that's an interesting difference then between the homework thing and the speeding thing. With speeding, you don't always get caught, right? But with homework, if you don't turn it in, there is a 100% chance that you will get a 0. So the likelihood of being caught disobeying the rule is really the biggest thing actually, studies have been done that show this, it's really the biggest thing that actually compel people to follow rules. And so, as we're thinking about if a rule is effective or not, we're going to want to think about, are people getting caught? Are they actually changing their behavior? Are they doing things differently? And that's the idea. Let's take that information and let's attack the next couple of questions.